In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate QuickBooks Online to check your payment history and update your payment method. Whether you're new to QuickBooks or simply need a refresher, this guide will make it easy for you to manage your account payments and subscriptions seamlessly. Begin by heading over to the QuickBooks Online homepage. This is your central hub for managing your QuickBooks account, and it's filled with various tools and options to help you keep your business finances in check. Once on the homepage, the very first thing you'll want to do is locate the settings option. This is usually represented by a gear icon. It's your gateway to customized options and control over your account settings. Click on that gear icon, and you'll see a drop-down menu. In this menu, look for the option labeled Subscriptions and Billing. This is where you'll manage all things related to your account subscriptions and billing information. It's essential to know your way around this section as it holds all the details regarding your account's financial dealings and interactions with QuickBooks. After clicking Subscriptions and Billing, the next step is to navigate to the Payment History section. One click here, and you'll have instant access to a comprehensive record of all transactions you've completed through QuickBooks. This is particularly useful if you need a quick overview of past expenses, or if you're looking to reconcile transactions with your bank statements. Keeping an eye on your payment history can also help ensure there are no discrepancies or unexpected charges from QuickBooks. Now, moving on from the payment history, it's time to check on your payment method. Click on this option to view the current method linked to your QuickBooks account. Here you can update, modify, or even change the payment details. Ensuring your payment method is up to date is crucial to avoid any interruptions in your QuickBooks services and subscriptions. As you perform these steps, remember that QuickBooks Online is designed to streamline these processes, making it simple for you to handle financial tasks easily. These tools are there to ensure you can focus more on growing your business while keeping financial uncertainties at bay. That wraps up today's guide on checking your QuickBooks Online payment history and managing your payment method. I hope you found this tutorial both helpful and straightforward. Remember, familiarizing yourself with these features will enhance your workflow efficiency, reduce potential issues, and give you peace of mind in handling your business finances. Keep exploring and utilizing these tools for a smoother experience. And as always, feel free to reach out for more tips and insights on using QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time.